intense two-lap match. They will only see the green flag, white flag, and checkered flag. Baltimore, who thinks the winner's going to be Max D? And who wants to see Megalodon cross that finish line? Let's go racing! Jack Brown and Megalodon pulling ahead in this early lead. Max D right behind him, right on the tail. They're getting caught up in that chicane. They want to do themselves and they want to finish this race. Jack Brown putting Max D in tow right now, trying their best. Looks like they've done it.